Once in an academic gathering, there was a discussion about which letter in the alphabet is there without which a sentence can't be completed. All the participants of the meeting agreed on the letter Alif. On hearing this, Hazrat Ali delivered a sermon consisting of 3 to 4 pages without the letter Alif. Here are some points related to marfat tauheed as Hamidtu man azumat minnatuhu wa sabagat ni'matuhu wa sabaqat rahmatuhu. I praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whose favor is great, whose grace and mercy are wide and perfect. Wa adalat qadiyatuhu. His decision is based on justice. Wa hamidtu hamda muqirin bi rububiyyatihi. I praise him as one who confesses his lordship. Mutarifin bi tawheedihi wa nasta'inuhu. I confess his monotheism and seek his assistance. Wa shahidtu lahu bi zamiri mukhlisin muqinin. I testify as a pure servant who believes in his existence. Wa wahadtuhu tawheeda abdil muz'inin laysa lahu sharikun fi mulkihi. I believe in his oneness, that there is no partner in his sovereignty. Walam yakullahu waliyun fi sun'ihi jalla an mashirin wa wazirin. There is no guardian or sharer in the creation of this universe. His glory is higher than that of being his advisor and minister. Alima fa satara wa batana wa khabara. He, Allah Almighty, knows the condition of everyone and hides the defect. He is aware the inner condition. Malaka fa kahara. His kingdom prevails over all. Wa takarrama wa tafazzala. He is gracious. Lam yazal wa laysa kamislihi shay'un. He has never fallen and there is none like him. Wahuwa qabla kulli shay'in. He is before everything. Mutaqaddasun bi aluwwihi. He is holy because of his exalted position. Laysa yudrikuhu basarun walam yuhit bihi nazarun. Neither no eye can see him, nor no eye can cover him. Qawiyun basirun sami'un aliyun hakimun rahimun azizun alimun. He is mighty, the seeing, the hearing, the exalted, the wise, the merciful, the dominant, and the all-knowing. Yujibu da'wata man yad'uhu. He who prays to Allah Almighty, his prayer is accepted. Wa yarzuqu abdahu wa yuhibbuhu. Allah Almighty provides sustenance and love to his servant. Wa batshin qawiyun. His grip is strong. Wa akubatin mawji'atin. His punishment is painful. Rahmatahu jannatun. His mercy is paradise. Wa akubatahu jahim. And his punishment is hell.